Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the base coats I always use. So, let's start with my favorite peel-off base coat. And I know some of you guys might already know what it is, and if your guess is OMG's peel-off base coat, then you're 100% correct. With the new formulation, which has a clear-looking appearance, I only apply one coat of this on my nails. Then if you pair this peel-off base coat with a thick glossy top coat, you can achieve a full peely. The second base coat I use is Caronia's Nail Hardener and Base Coat. Lately, I pair this with OMG's peel-off base coat. What I do is I apply a layer of OMG's peel-off base coat on my clean natural nails, then I let it dry. Then I apply Caronia's Nail Hardener and Base Coat on top of it. With two layers of different base coats on my nails, I noticed that my natural nails became less stained with polishes, especially with heavily pigmented or dark shaded nail polishes. And lastly, we have is Orly's top to bottom. I use this base coat if I want my nail polish or my nail art to last longer. And you can also use this as a top coat too. These three base coats are my favorite and I always use these. If you have some requests or video suggestions, just leave them on the comment section. Maybe I'll do your request one day. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and on Facebook to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!